50 Mighty Women of Uzbekistan. Khadicha Sulaymonova, law scholar. Law scholar Khadicha is an inspirational example of how hard work and dedication can help you achieve your dreams. She started out as an ordinary girl from Uzbekistan, but through her hard work and determination, she has become a respected law scholar and honored scientist of her country. She is a highly respected law scholar and academic woman who has made significant contributions to the field of law in Uzbekistan. Her extensive educational background, leadership positions in law schools, and government roles have allowed her to have a significant impact on the development of the Uzbek legal system. Her dedication to research and publication in the areas of criminal law, jurisprudence, women's rights, and more have made her a highly regarded expert in the field. Her legacy continues to be recognized through the various honors, awards, and institutions named after her in Uzbekistan. Her extensive education began at the Institute of Soviet Construction and Law under the Central Committee of the Uzbek Soviet Socialist Republic, followed by graduate studies at the Moscow Law Institute, where she acquired an exemplary knowledge for utilizing legal systems for justice and reform-oriented goals, with a touch of humor and wit, which she was known for. She later became an associate professor, and head of the criminal law department at the Tashkent Law Institute, where she also served as a rector. Following her tenure at the Tashkent Law Institute, Khadicha was appointed as the Dean of the Faculty of Law at the Central Asian University. She also served as the Minister of Justice of the UzSSR, before becoming the chairman of the Justice Commission under the Soviet of Ministers of the UzSSR. From 1964 onwards, she worked as the chairman of the Supreme Court of the UzSSR and was highly respected for her keen intellect, sharp wit, and her unfaltering commitment to justice. She was a shining example for lawyers everywhere and set a new standard for legal proceedings in an era where fairness was often hard to come by. Throughout her career, Khadicha authored numerous scientific works on criminal law, with a particular focus on women's rights and the development of jurisprudence in Uzbekistan. She was also instrumental in the establishment of several prominent legal institutions, including the Institute of Philosophy and Law of the Academy of Sciences of Uzbekistan in 1958, and the Scientific Research Institute of Forensic Expertise under the Ministry of Justice of the Republic in 1959. Today, one of the streets in the city of Tashkent is named after her, and the Institute of Forensic Expertise, now the Republican Forensic Expertise Center, also bears her name. Additionally, the Tashkent Law University hosts a museum dedicated to Khadicha's life and work